Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video for you guys. I just got back from SM and I just ended up with so much more stuff than I actually wanted to buy, and you know what? This happens to me all the time. I went to SM today to buy underwear and foundation, but I ended up with so much more stuff, so I decided to do a haul video for you guys. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like this video, leave a comment, join my giveaway. There are just so many things you can do here on my channel, so I hope you guys get on that. I'm so excited to show you guys everything I got, so let's start it off with this little bag from SM Beauty. This is the Vice Duo Finish Foundation in the shade Kinessa. Now this one was just released, so this is actually the reason why I went to SM in the first place. So you know, at least I got what I went there for. So this is actually what I'm wearing on my face right now. If you guys want a full-on review on this, I already posted the video, so I'm gonna link it down below. This is how the inside looks like, and this is how the shade Kinessa looks like, and it comes with a sponge. This powder foundation is actually pretty good, especially considering the price. For 245 pesos, I think it performs really well, and I mean, look at my face, it looks pretty good. Next up is the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. Now this is a 24-hour full coverage weightless feel foundation. Now I actually picked this up because I'm gonna be attending a wedding in about a month, and I'm searching for the perfect foundation for the summer weather. Something that will last but also is full coverage, so I had a good feeling about this, and I also saw a lot of good reviews, so that's why I went out and picked it up. I honestly wasn't even planning to buy this particular foundation. I just ended up trying it out and then I ended up liking it, so here I am with this foundation. I'm also planning to shoot a wear test video with this because I really want to see if it lasts 24 hours. Let me know if that's a video you guys would be interested in. This retails for 700 pesos, but it was on sale today for 600 pesos, so I got 100 pesos off, which I think is pretty good. I also picked up this Bella Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. Now this is something I actually wanted to try out because now that it's summer, I don't think it's a good idea to keep wearing foundation every single day, so I just wanted to try this one out because I've been seeing a lot of people using this. It looks like it's a very lightweight type of foundation, plus it's actually sunscreen, so I need this, especially now that it's summer. I was actually excited when I found this because this kit is actually a promo they're doing right now. So for every 50 ml you buy, you get a free 10 ml, which I think is really great because the 50 ml is not super travel friendly, but the 10 ml, if you want to take it in your purse, if you want to take it on an airplane, you can do that. So I think this was such a good buy. This kit retails for 499. The last thing I got from the beauty section is also my favorite buy today, and this is it right here. This is the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collaboration. Now I was super excited to find this because I had no idea that Ofra had a stall here, and I had no idea they carried Nikki Tutorials collaboration. Now Nikki is actually someone I watch religiously. I love her. Most of the YouTubers I follow are actually not from the Philippines, so every time they do a collab and I really want to buy it, I just don't have access to it because I'm all the way here in the Philippines. So when I found this there, I just jumped at the chance of getting it. Plus, it was actually on sale. It was 50% off. Like there were just 2 more boxes left, and I ended up getting the second to the last box, and I'm super excited for it. I've actually never even tried Ofra products ever. This set comes with 3 liquid lipsticks and the highlighter. Now these Ofra highlighters, I've heard so many good things about it, so many good reviews, and I am so excited that I can finally try it for myself. And this highlighter has 3 different colors. I'm gonna be doing a dedicated video on this, so stay tuned for that. Now as for the price, this set retails for around 4,000 pesos, but since it was 50% off, I bought it at 1,990 pesos for this entire kit. Now I'm gonna show you guys all of the intimate stuff that I got. I got these very comfortable feeling undies. When I touched it, I just knew that it would be such an easy thing to wear. It's one of the softest panties I've found so far, and it even has these lacing details here on top. I also love the color. Purple is my favorite color, And these are also seamless panties, so when I wear, you know, tight-fitted clothes, you're not gonna be able to see my underwear through my clothes. This is from the brand Gigi by Gigi Amor, and this costs 149 pesos and 75 cents, but it was 50% off, so I got it on sale. So I ended up buying two. It's basically buy one take one. The next ones I got are also from the brand Gigi Amor, and these look a bit more mature than the first ones I showed you. So I got these lace panties, so I got it in this really cute pastel pink color, and I also got it in this neutral nude type of color. Lace underwear is one of the most comfortable things to wear. It just feels so good and it feels really light, and it just makes you move more comfortably, so that's why I always go for lace underwear. These also retail for 149 pesos and 75 cents, and they were also 50% off. So since I got two, it's basically buy one take one for these beautiful lace underwear. I also got a bunch of sets, and this is the first one. So it is a gray lacy set, so you get a bra and panty in the set. This is how the bra looks like. I really love the color, and I think the lace is such a beautiful touch to it. The design is also really good, and the best part about this bra is there's no underwire here. I never wear bras with underwire because they're just so uncomfortable, but usually the bras without underwire are the boring looking bras. So I was so pleasantly surprised to find this beautiful bra with no underwire, and when I tried it on, it was just so comfortable and it looked really good, and I just liked it. It just gave me so much confidence, which is what underwear is supposed to do, or you know, clothes in general. So that's why I went for this set. It also comes with matching panties. I think these look really good, and they are silk, so it feels so soft and just so beautiful. Can it feel beautiful? But yeah, this one feels really beautiful, and I love that they even used the lacing here at the center as well. And this one is also seamless underwear. I'm super into seamless underwear. I just think they're the most convenient underwear to wear. This bra and panty set retails for 499 pesos and 75 cents. And it was also on sale at 50% off, so I basically paid 250 pesos for the bra and panty set, which I think is really amazing because these sets usually go for a lot. The next set I got is basically the peach version of that gray style. I just really like the style so much that I looked for it in other colors, but there were only two, so it comes in gray and this really cute light peach type of color. When I find something I like, I try to get it in as much colors as I can find. That's just the type of shopper I am. When I like a style, I just go with it. This is the next set I got. I think this is so beautiful. It's a lace bra and panty set, but it just looks so modern. Like, you know how lace can look really old looking, but this one just looked so youthful to me, so that's what attracted me to it. The bra is made out of pink lace, and it has these beautiful paneling designs here, which I think make it look super modern, and when I tried it on, I just loved how it looked on me, so I ended up getting it. This is the underwear that comes with the set. I am not really a fan of this sheer type of material, but I mean, it looks cute and I love the color, but I'm just not sure if I'm just super comfortable wearing this, so I don't know, I'll try it out, but I probably won't like it as much as, you know, the silk ones and the really soft cottony ones. This set is also from Gigi Amor, and this retails for 599 pesos and 75 pesos for the entire set. And this one was also 50% off, so I basically paid 300 pesos for this really beautiful pink set. This last set I got is also the coolest set I found. This is how the bra looks like. It's actually really modern and cool looking, so that's what attracted me to it. It actually reminded me of, you know, those trendy Calvin Klein bras with the really thick strap at the bottom. These super reminded me of them, but I think these look way better. They look super classic. There's no annoying words down here or anything, and it's just such a beautiful modern bra. This is the matching underwear that comes with it. I love that it has this beautiful white band on top. I just think it looks really classic but cool at the same time, and modern. This set is also from the brand Amor, and it retails for 599 pesos and 75 cents, but of course it was also 50% off, so I basically paid 300 for this beautiful, youthful, modern set. Now the last thing I picked up are these beautiful sneakers from Topshop. So I actually only went to Topshop because I had a GC, but I ended up finding this in the sale section and I just jumped at it. I think the color is so beautiful and it's made out of suede. I'm just really attracted to these types of colors, this type of material, and it just looks really cool but girly at the same time, and I love the detailing on it. If you look right here, they have the little Topshop logo right there, and it's in gold, and we all know I super love gold. When I tried these on, they felt so good on my feet. They were just so comfortable and I loved it. Since this was in the sale section, it was the last pair left, and when I saw the size, I got a little bit worried because it was size 9 and usually I'm size 8, so when I tried it on, I really wasn't sure if it was gonna fit, but it fit me. I think, you know, the sock allowance really helped, but it fit me and it wasn't loose at all, so I was pleasantly surprised. And you know, I just ran to the counter and I bought this because it was so beautiful, it fit me so well, and it was on sale. This one was on sale for 799 pesos. I have no idea what the original price is, but I'm sure it's in the thousands, so I think at 799 this was such a great deal. That is it. That is everything I bought today. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah!